Hi there, students. As yet, as of yet, and maybe let's contrast these with just yet on its own. Okay, as yet means up to now, until now, so far, hitherto, up to here. So, as yet, I haven't received your application form. Yeah, we use this as yet with negatives. It needs to have something negative, a negative in the sentence. I have as yet to receive your thing. Yeah, I think you probably could use it in a positive as well, but I think try using it in the negative because it's going to be a lot easier. As yet, nobody has contacted me about this. As yet, your payment has not been made. Yeah. As yet, we have received no reply from their lawyers. Okay, so up to now, up to the present moment. Okay, as of yet. This you could use as well. However, I think as of yet this is probably non-standard and it's just adding words. It's being verbose for the sake of being verbose. I think maybe if you want as of yet you could use it, but I think as yet would certainly be enough. I think this is confusing or mixing as of now from now onwards with this phrase as yet. Okay, so as yet I haven't received your letter. I haven't received your letter yet. What's the difference? Well, I think this phrase at yet indicates that you expect this is going to happen. Yeah, you're saying you definitely think that that situation is going to change. So he hasn't sent his application form in as yet. This as yet means, but I'm definitely expecting him to do this. My team are clearly winning this match, but as yet they haven't scored a goal. I'm strongly expecting. They haven't scored a goal yet. It doesn't have this extra connotation, okay? So as yet you're saying you expect this is going to happen. Yeah, but as yet the meaning from a time in the past to a particular point in the present. Thus far, up to now, still, so far. So I have as yet to cover this grammar point. And the as yet says that I am definitely going to cover this point. Yeah, up to the present time. The police have very few clues as yet, but I'm pretty certain they're going to get more clues soon. The police have no clues yet. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. And that's the idea. Okay, so as yet, to describe a situation from the past to now, the same as yet, but with the very strong expectation, with almost certainty, that you are that this is going to change. So I haven't as yet thought about the poem that I'm going to do for today. But I'm definitely going to think about it and do it. And there we are, as yet. Okay, formality, as yet. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. Use it informally. I probably would use yet informally. I think you could use it informally. I'm going to say use it anyway, but it's a touch on the formal side. Yeah, so as yet I still haven't done the origin. Yeah, okay, so as, notice as means as of this point now, as in this case has this idea of now, and then this word yet comes from Old English geta, which comes from Proto-Germanic juta, meaning yet or now or ever. Okay, from Proto-Indo-European do. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Well, as of yet, I haven't finished, but bye.